Hi, I'm Lydia Finley. I'm an associate member in the cell biology program at Memorial Sloan Kettering Cancer Center. I'm one of the co-organizers of the upcoming Keystone Symposia on metabolic and nutritional control of development and cell fate in Beverly, Massachusetts. The vision for this meeting is to bring together the newest science looking at how metabolism controls the field of developmental biology. In other words, how do the nutrients that are available to cells or developing organisms shape those cell fate trajectories and lay the groundwork for a lifetime of health or disease? This is going to be an extremely unique meeting in the field because it's one of the only meetings in the field. The field of developmental metabolism is brand new. It takes advantage of an extremely exciting time in the field of cell metabolism, where we have new tools and techniques to study and perturb cell metabolism, and an explosive time in the field of developmental biology with new models to model mammalian development and early embryonic systems. Bringing these two fields together is the perfect time to revisit and understand how metabolism can control developmental processes. The program will go all the way from individual cells and metabolites, looking at how metabolites shape gene expression programs and cell fate decisions, all the way to developing organisms, looking at how nutritional influences affect the viability and developmental and health trajectories of organisms as they grow. I am selfishly very excited to have this opportunity to bring together so many researchers from diverse areas of the field of developmental metabolism. The speaker list is full of speakers whose work I've read about and admired for years, and I'm thrilled to have the opportunity to bring these people together in person in a venue to discuss where this field has come from and where the field is going. I think there are important topics for us to discuss as a field, like now that we are a new field, what are the standards? What should the proof of evidence or what should our standard of proof be for new findings? What should our boundaries of rigor and reproducibility be? How do we want the discourse to go for us as a field? And what are the important ethical considerations of our field as we leverage new models to study development? Because this is one of the first opportunities for the field to come together in person and discuss these issues, we have a special roundtable discussion on identifying shared priorities and standards in this new field. We also will have many opportunities for trainees to interact with speakers to help to grow this field, to help to cement relationships with the field, and encourage open discourse on the science that's important to our shared research. We think a Keystone Symposia is the perfect format for this meeting. Because of the small size, there'll be many opportunities for interactions, and it's a 2-day focused meeting, meaning that we're going to be talking about science from morning to night with many opportunities to share each other's work and poster sessions that will be extremely interactive. We know there are many areas of active investigation in this field, many that we couldn't even anticipate. So we're extremely excited to read your abstracts and go and visit your posters and learn about the exciting work that's going on in this field. I want to call attention to our deadlines. February 6th is the deadline for abstracts that would like to be considered for a short talk, of which we will choose several for presentation in the meeting. And April 16th is the deadline for poster presentation. Again, the poster presentation is in the center of the day, ensuring that everyone will come and visit with the posters, giving us a chance really to see where this field is going. It's in its early stages. We have no idea what's coming up in the next 5 to 10 years, but we can't wait to see what everyone's doing and getting a sense of where the frontiers are in this developing field. Our meeting will cover a variety of model systems, from model organisms all the way to cutting-edge 3D models of embryo development. We'll also discuss metabolic advances, including imaging and advanced mass spec methods for sensitive detection of metabolites during development. We encourage everybody to attend. We especially encourage early stage researchers who may be learning about this emerging field, as well as postdocs and early career investigators who are launching new areas of research or revisiting older areas of developmental biology through a metabolic lens. There are many opportunities for industry, as many diseases have developmental or metabolic origins, and we're excited to see how all of these groups come together to discuss our shared priorities in metabolic control of development.